So to follow along with this video and get the lowest pricing available, go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link at the top of the description. That link will take you to the correct page to get everything set up correctly, and it lets you follow along and set up your LLC right alongside me. And once you go to that link, you'll land on this page right here. Now, before we pick anything, let's first scroll down and take a look at the plan options here. You'll see 3 plans here. There's a light, essential, and elite. Now, here's the thing to know about these plans. You don't choose one of these right now. We're going to go through the onboarding together, and Tailor Brands is going to ask you some questions about your business along the way. Then based on how you answer, they'll put you on the plan that covers what your business actually needs. So by the end of this, we'll see which plan you land on, and I'll break down exactly what it costs. So from here, let's scroll back up, and we'll choose your LLC state. And this is just where you live and run your business. So in my case, I'll click in here, and I'll look for Texas. And one thing to keep in mind is that your state charges its own fee to file your LLC, and that's separate from anything Tailor Brands charges you. So that's going to get added on at the very end, and we'll take a look at exactly what that is for you when we get there. So once you've got your state selected, go ahead and click Get Started. All right, so the first thing that Tailor Brands asks is whether you've got a name for your business. So go ahead and type in your name right here. Now, before you fully commit to a name, it's worth making sure nobody in your state is already using it. Tailor Brands does this check for you, but I'd double check it yourself just to be safe. So just open up Google and type in your state's name, followed by business search. Then click the official result, which is usually going to be a .gov site. That brings up a search box where you can type in the name that you want, and you'll see right away whether it's available. And while you're there, it's worth running a quick trademark search too. I've linked the trademark search tool down in the description so you can find it there. One other small thing to note is that Tailor Brands adds the LLC part onto the end of your name for you, so you don't have to type that in yourself. So once you have your name typed in, go ahead and click Continue. Now it's going to ask for your industry. Tailor Brands uses this to figure out which permits and licenses might apply to your business later on. So just start by typing in what you do and pick the closest match. In my case, I'll type social media marketing. And this matches what my business does, so I'll click on this. Once you're done, go down and click Next. Next, it'll ask where you are in your business journey. So look through all the options here and pick the one that applies to you best. I'll click Getting Ready to Launch, and then Next. Next, it'll ask if you've ever formed or run a business before. Pick the option that matches you best here. I'll go with First Time, and click Next. Then it will ask how many owners your LLC will have. If it's just you, pick Just Me for now. If you're going in with a business partner, click 2+ owners. And if you don't know just yet, you can click Don't Know Yet. In my case, the business is just owned by me, so I'll click Just Me, and then Next. Now, the next page is just letting you know about the free business coaching that comes with every plan. There's nothing to pick here, so go ahead and click Next. Next, it'll ask for your contact information. This is where you create your Tailor Brands account. So you'll enter your first and last name, your phone number, email address, and create a password. You can also continue with your Google account if you'd like to do that. I'll go ahead and fill out my personal information here. And once you've filled out your personal information here, go down and click Next. Okay, so now we're into the part where Tailor Brands asks what you want to add on. And these are the questions that decide which plan you end up on. So let me walk you through each one. First up is funding search. There's nothing to pick here. It's just letting you know that if you end up on the essential or elite plans, Tailor Brands will scan for grants and funding programs that fit your business. So go ahead and click Next. Now this next one is your EIN, and this is the first real decision that you'll make here, so let me break it down properly. An EIN is a tax ID for your business. Think of it kind of like a social security number, but for your company instead of you. You'll need one to open up a business bank account or to hire employees. And once you have it, you can hand out your EIN instead of your social security number, which is great for keeping your personal information private. So you've got 2 options here. The first one is to let Tailor Brands handle it for you. This is the convenient route. They take care of the whole application, and they can even get started on it before your LLC is finished. The trade-off is that it's an upcharge, right around $100. So if you'd rather not deal with any of the paperwork yourself, and you don't mind that upcharge, this is the option to go with. The second option is to do it yourself, because the IRS gives you an EIN completely for free. It takes about 10 to 20 minutes on their website, and I've linked that page down in the description so you can go straight to it. If that's the route that you want to go with, click on I'll continue using my SSN, and that's the option that I'll go with personally. Once you've made your choice here, go down and click Next. And here you may get this reminder that lets you know that you need an EIN for your business. I'll click Yes, and that'll bring us to the next page. Next up is annual compliance. And depending on what you choose here, this could move you into the essential plan. Most states ask you to file a short report every year to keep your LLC in good standing. And if that slips, you're looking at penalties, and eventually you could end up losing your LLC that you just set up. So again, here you have two options. The first option is to keep your LLC compliant. You can have Tailor Brands file that report for you every year, so it never falls off your radar. If you keep this option selected here, it'll move you into the $199 Essential Plan. And just so you know, going in, your state's own fee for the report is still yours to pay on top of that. And that amount varies quite a bit depending on where you are. Or you have the option here to handle it yourself. It's usually a short form on your state's website once a year. And if you're someone who'll put it on your calendar, it is very manageable. So this one really comes down to knowing yourself. If a once-a-year deadline is going to sneak up on you, you should probably choose to keep your LLC compliant through Tailor Brands. That's because losing your LLC over a forgotten form is a much bigger problem than $200 a year. But if you know that you're able to stay on top of it, you could absolutely do it yourself. So pick the option that works best for you here. Once you've made your choice, go down and click Next. Now, the next one here is the Branding Toolkit. And this is the choice that can move you up to the Elite plan, which is $50 a year more than Essential. What you get is a domain, a website builder, an online store, 8 logo designs, and some social media tools. So if you're starting completely from scratch and you don't have a website or a logo yet, $50 a year for all of that is pretty good value. But if you already have a website or you're planning to use something else like Squarespace or Shopify, you'd just be paying for tools that you're never going to use. I already have everything set up for my business, so I'll click I don't want the tools. Once you've made your choice, go down and click Next. All right, so on this screen, this is where you choose whether or not you want expedited processing. If you choose to get expedited processing, Tailor Brands hands your paperwork over to your Secretary of State within 1 business day. Now, your Secretary of State still works through applications on their own schedule, so you can't really speed that part up. But your paperwork does get to them a lot quicker. And here's another thing to know. If you said yes to annual compliance or the branding toolkit a moment ago, you're already on one of the paid plans, and expedited processing comes included with those at no extra cost. So if that's the case for you, you can just leave it turned on. But if you skipped both of those, then this will be an upcharge. So feel free to turn it off if you'd rather not pay for it. In my case, because it's included, I'll just leave it turned on. Once you've made your choice here, go down and click Next. And next up is your operating agreement. This is the document that lays out how your LLC actually works. Stuff like who owns what percentage, how profits get split, and what happens if somebody wants to leave the business later on. It doesn't get filed with the state, it just stays in your own records. Most states don't actually require one, but banks will often ask for it. And it's part of how you keep your business separate from you personally. So it's worth having one. So you've got 2 options here. The first option is to get your operating agreement from Tailor Brands. They're able to write one up for you based on your business. And same as the last screen, if you're already on a paid plan, this comes included. If you're not, then choosing this would be an upcharge. Or you can click on I'll figure it out myself, and then just grab a free template online. Now, if you're the only owner and your setup is simple, a template is honestly fine. But if you have business partners or a more complicated business structure, I'd honestly recommend just letting Tailor Brands handle this for you. So once you've made your choice here, go down and click Next. The next thing here is regarding a formation kit. This is basically a physical binder that they ship you with hard copies of all your documents inside. And it runs about $120. So if you like having paper originals all in one place, it is a nice thing to own, but everything in it is already going to be a PDF sitting in your account, so I'll skip this. Once you've made your choice, go down and click Next. And then the last thing here is that Tailor Brands will ask if you want text updates about your filing. This one is completely free either way, and the status alerts are handy so you're not left wondering where things are. So I'll click Get Notified, and Next. And after that, we'll arrive to the checkout screen. And this is the screen that I really want to walk through properly because this is where everything that you just pick adds up. So here at the top, you can see the plan that Tailor Brands put together for me. I'm on the Essential plan at $199 a year, and underneath it lists everything that it covers. you'll see that my plan includes expedited processing, annual compliance, the operating agreement, funding search, and the business coaching program. And below that, you'll see the state fees. In my case here in Texas, it costs me about $308, and this will vary depending on your state. And it's also worth mentioning that this fee goes directly to the Secretary of State, not to Tailor Brands. Below this, you'll see an option for bookkeeping. This is a 30-day free trial, and it comes on every plan. Keep in mind that after 30 days, it'll come out to $39 a month if you decide to keep it. It's a solid tool if you need invoicing and expense tracking. Below that, you'll see toggles for the EIN and formation kit. Based on my answers, both of these are automatically turned off. If you do decide to change your mind, you can turn them on if you want to. And then at the very bottom here, you'll see the total due today. This shows $199 for the plan. And with my Texas state fee on top of that, my real number today is $507. And then going forward, it's just $199 a year for the essential plan. So that's the whole picture, and you know exactly where every dollar of everything came from.